Hi guys, today I am going to show you all how to install a CPU cooling fan. Firstly, you should remove the nuts from the side panel. Okay, now I am taking the cover away slowly. Here you can see the components of the motherboard. Here you can fix the CPU fan for here. System fan 2, and also you can fix for one of this also, this. Okay, now we'll fix it to the correct position. Firstly, I'll show my cooling fan. Here it is. I'm taking it out. Here it is. And okay, firstly I am fixing the wire for here. Okay, now I fixed. Now we will see is the CPU cooling fan working. Okay, we'll see. Oh yes, it's working. You can see the colors also. Okay, now we'll stop that again. Okay, and also you can fix it too. This IFS is working also. We'll check 60 there and also see. You should be aware when fixing that. Okay. I fixed it. Okay, again we will on and check the fan. Okay, now I'm on. Okay, now also it's working. You can see. Okay, now we'll fix it for the casing side panel of the CPU. Here you can fix it to this side panel here. In the monitor here you can see. As you can see, you can fix it for here also. Now that fixing here, it's good to fix to the side panel because the ports, back ports are also there. So firstly we should see the side correctly, if not the wires will damage. Okay, now the way to fix them like this. Keeping the places correctly for nuts to be inserted. Okay, now I'll bring the phone nuts. Okay, firstly I am taking one nut and we should put it inside. I'll take a screwdriver and fix it. After that I am taking another one and fix it to the other place. As I do, you also can fix. And also I remember one thing, it's good to fix the side panel as I told firstly, because it will damage the access fan and also the back panel connectors. Okay, now I'm fixing other two nuts also. Okay, now I'll take the other one also. Be careful when dealing with these parts of the computer. Okay, now I will show how to fix it again. You should insert it correctly to the CPU and take the parts of it and insert them. Okay, now I'll again show it's working. You can see it's working. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe me, and I am telling you all to, if you need any help with PCs, you can comment in the comment box and I will do a video on it. Comment me and like me. We will meet from another video like this. Goodbye.